Door issue. Check the upper rack. If the height of the upper rack is not the same on both sides, level the upper rack again. Visually inspect the interior of the dishwasher, including the racks for any packaging material. Such items may prevent the door from closing properly. Door inspection. Slanted. Make sure the door opens and closes smoothly. If necessary, level the dishwasher again. Open the door 45 to 60 degrees and remove the lower cover by pushing the hook to the bottom side. Adjust leveling feet as necessary. Check the top and corners of the door for distortion if there is any visible. This could be preventing the door from closing properly. Adjust the door by moving it from side to side.